to bounce the bubbles?
Is it possible to bounce the bubbles, Freya?
Papa.
Okay, let's see. That's so cute. Nice.
Can we dribble that?
No.
Not too high, it will pop. Boinky.
Slowly, I'll take care of it.
Yeah, it's so big. Control, you can control it.
You're so good, huh? You can entertain in the carnival na.
Auntie, it should be slow lang pala. Oh, very good. You're mastering it, ah. See? Can you rest it on your hand?
No, Mom.
Yay!
Giant kids is so much fun.
I don't know we can bounce that bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang galing.
20. 21.
Oh, not too high. Oh, wow. Is it fun?
Yeah.
Catch it, Freya. Biggest ever again. You're so good. Control it, control it. That's so big, huge. Oh, it's going to mommy. Ah. It's so fun.
Last one now.
That's the biggest, Freya.
Yeah.
Oh, make sure. Wow.
Cool.
Cool. Oh, not too high again. You're making it high.
Bubbles.
Down mo lang siya. Yan. Yan.
Bubbles.
Big auntie, ha?
Try it at home.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Oh. 1. Wow, that's a big one. Is it? Oh, control the bubbles. Don't make it too high. Oh, not too high. Down. 2 hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. Galing. Why is it bouncing on your hand? Because?
I'm wearing gloves.
And it's made of?
Cotton.
Yes.
Try it at home, kids.
Oops.
It's